Today, I'm going to show you how to remove the front headlights on a Honda Stepwgn, 3rd generation. I'll show you the process step by step as quickly and clearly as possible, so even if you are doing this for the first time, you can easily follow along. Before we start, there is one important thing you should know. To remove the front headlight on this Honda Stepwgn, we first need to remove the front bumper. The reason is that one of the lower headlight mounting bolts is located behind the bumper. Because of this, the bumper blocks access to the bolt, and it is not possible to remove the headlight properly without taking the bumper off first. If you haven't removed the bumper yet, don't worry. I'll leave a helpful video in the top right corner of the screen. You can click on it and watch my video showing how to remove the front bumper on the Honda Stepwgn. For this video, we'll start with the bumper already removed, and I'll show you what to do next to remove the headlight. As you can see, after removing the bumper, we have easy access to the lower mounting point of the headlight. There is one bolt located on the lower side. This is one of the main bolts holding the headlight in place, so we need to remove it first. Simply use the appropriate socket and carefully loosen the bolt. Once the lower bolt is removed, we can move on to the upper mounting points. Now we have access to the second bolt on the upper side of the headlight. Remove this bolt as well. After removing these mounting bolts, the headlight is almost ready to come out. But before pulling it away, there is one more important step. Don't forget to disconnect all the electrical connectors connected to the headlight. Here you can see the connectors. Some of them are removed by turning them counterclockwise, while the electrical plugs can simply be disconnected by pressing the locking tab. Take your time when disconnecting the plugs. They may have been connected for many years, so sometimes they can be a little tight. If a connector is difficult to remove by hand, you can carefully use a small screwdriver to help release it. Just be very careful not to damage the connector, the wiring, or the locking tab. Once all the connectors are disconnected, you can safely remove the headlight from the vehicle. And that's it. As you can see, removing the front headlight on the 3rd generation Honda Stepwgn is not very complicated. The most important thing is to remove the front bumper first, because otherwise, you simply cannot reach the lower mounting bolt. I hope this video was helpful and will save you some time when working on your Honda Stepwgn. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more DIY car repair and bodywork videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.